feel wonderful, and I feel like it's only going to get better from here.
I feel very accomplished that I reached my goal, and I feel like I can do it. If I did it once, I can do it again.
It was to think positive, to understand the bigger picture, and to follow up.
It was honestly just to keep myself motivated, keep a positive mindset, and just keep telling myself tomorrow's a new day.
My biggest challenge was turning a no into a yes, but it's just all about following up and being consistent.
My biggest challenge was keeping myself motivated and having a positive mindset throughout the day. It was honestly a teamwork. Even though we do individual sales, at the end of the day, it's all about working as a team to achieve our goals together.
Positive feedback from customers has helped me motivate myself to understand that what I'm doing has a purpose and that people value and appreciate my services.
I would honestly tell them that they have to keep an open mind, that not every lead will turn into a yes. They have to be ready for rejection.
My advice would be to remain positive, to understand that sometimes, yes, you are going to get a no, but you never know, that big yes might be coming your way, and to stay motivated.